Hi guys, it's me again, Alicia. I have another wig from YWigs. I am slightly obsessed with this company, okay? This is a newer company for me, but yeah, I got 2 wigs from them. I think I have a 3rd one coming. I'm excited. But this is what I picked up from them. This is their Brazilian human hair lace front wig in 250% density. Girl, this hair is pretty thick, but it's not like untamable thick. It's actually a really nice density, okay? But off camera, I did go ahead and bleach my knots and tweeze the hairline. So your wig will not come like this. If you guys are interested in seeing how I do that, I will leave a video right here so you guys can check it out. But now what I'm doing is just cutting off the lace. I actually like to pin my wig to a mannequin head and just cut along the hairline. That way I can get a pretty nice precise cut, and I still have enough lace to adhere it down if I choose to. But now what I'm doing is using a nude stocking cap. I like to either use a dark brown or a black stocking cap. That's just me. You can definitely use something a little more lighter like what's on the mannequin head here. But yeah, girl, that's a lot of blending to do, and I ain't got time for that. But anyways, the construction with this wig is their lace front wig, so you do get an ample amount of parting space. And look, there's no middle comb. Can I tell you guys that I cannot stand middle combs? I always take them out. But there's no middle combs on this one, so you're not going to get that crazy hump, alright? But anyways, this is their glueless cap, so you don't have to adhere it down if you don't want to. But this is what the perimeter is looking like. Again, you guys, I did pluck and tweeze the hairline myself and bleach the knot, so it's not going to come like that. It may be very smart if you guys tone your lace or tint your lace, because as you guys can see, it didn't really match my complexion, but I do like to take my mineralized skin finish in dark deep and apply it to the lace to help with blending it a little better. In person it looks good, but you might be able to tell on camera that it looks a little light. But now I'm just going to go through the hair and just use my powder brush. I didn't get that much shedding with this wig. I'm actually quite surprised, because usually when I bleach or pluck, I get a whole lot of shedding. This one I really didn't get that much. But now I'm going to take my flat iron, and again, I'll leave all the information down below in case you guys are interested in anything in this video. And I'm just going to lightly go through my hair. I didn't really do the best of the best job, but I did do a good enough job for me, okay? And this hair is so soft. Ooh. But yeah, if I didn't say this already, the color of this unit is a natural brown, so it's not too dark and not too light. You can bleach it if you like. But now, like I do all of my wigs, I like to go through and style it. So what I choose to do is just place a side C part in my unit. You can do a middle part, you can do whatever. I do believe it's about 4 inches of parting space on this one. I'll leave all the information down below. I could be wrong. But now I'm just training that part with a little bit of water and a brush. And now taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. I like to place that in the parting space. You guys really don't need that much. I like to go haywire with mine. I don't know why, but I just do. And now I'm just blending it in. I like to top that off with a little bit of my foundation powder. Again, that's my mineralized skin finish in dark deep or deep dark, one of the two. And it blends right into my complexion. And now I'm going to take some mousse. No, girl, that's not toothpaste. You don't want to use that on your teeth. But I like to place that along my edges just to give it like an effortless, no baby hair look. Because I know some of you guys don't really feel baby hair like I do, but some of you guys might like it really natural like this, which I actually prefer. It's a real classic look. It's really, you know, effortless, and you can wear that to work. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it looks a little decent. You can use some Gotta Be gel to kind of keep it staying there, because with mousse it may not stay there. Okay, so yeah. But anyways, you guys, if I didn't say this already, the length on this one is a 20-inch. So it's a really good length for me, and the hair is so soft. I am 5'8", and this is where the hair falls on me. So it's like right above my butt in my lower back area. So yeah. Okay, but anyways, you guys, this hair is so soft. I can't keep my hands out of it. So far with this company, their units are pretty good. I haven't really gotten a whole lot of shedding. The hair is not tangling too bad. But again, you guys, you know, this wig is pretty new, so I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. I do have a coupon code if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.